you're starting a fitness program and have been feeling very overwhelmed, let me save you the years of frustration with these tips. Hey ladies, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. I'm an online fitness coach, and today I'm sharing the top fitness tips that I wish someone had told me when I started. Whether you're brand new or restarting after some time off, this video will help you avoid those common mistakes. Here are my top tips. Start slower than you think you should. You don't need to destroy yourself by doing excessive amounts of reps and sets. When you first start off, your body's not used to that amount of load. Any little amount of progress or any little bit of movement, then you're gonna notice a difference. 2. Strength training is actually your best friend, especially as a woman. Muscle is gonna equal metabolism. So if your metabolism is stuck right now in a never-ending cycle of not progressing, then it may be due to not enough muscle. Your metabolism will increase and get faster the more muscle you do have in the body. Number 3. Stop copying influencers' routine. If you're seeing influencers out there doing these random workouts and tomorrow you see another influencer do something different and you keep on switching your plan, that's never gonna work. It's your body, your schedule, and your goals really do matter. So whatever your goals are, you wanna make sure that your program and your fitness plan matches your goals. Number 4. Track progress beyond the scale. So yes, the scale is important. It is not the only thing. Tracking progress beyond the scale, meaning take progress pictures, takes measurements, your energy, how are your clothes fitting. Those are gonna be better indications of how you're doing with your program than the scale itself. Number 5 is going to be eat enough food. Under eating will actually stall fat loss and it will kill your energy. So make sure that you're actually eating enough for your goals and body type. Number 6, focus on form before weight. You don't need to walk into the gym and start ego lifting everything and anything that you put your hands on. Long-term progress is always going to be ego lifting. Make sure that your form is correct, that mind-muscle connection is there before you actually start lifting heavier. 7. Rest days are productive. Recovery is actually where results are going to happen. Your body needs time to recover and to grow those muscles in order to see that definition and that result. Number 8 is going to be consistency. Beats motivation every single time. I personally not feel like going to the gym 4 days out of the week, and I sometimes go 5 to 6 days a week. So most days I'm not motivated to get up and go to the gym, but guess what? Consistency is always going to be better than motivation. Make a plan, stick to it, and that's going to get you through. Number 9 is give yourself time. Real results are going to take months, not weeks. And yes, I'm sorry to tell you that. This is not going to be one of those instant gratification things. This is going to take time, hard work, consistency, dedication. It's not easy. I struggle with it still to this day sometimes, but consistency will get you results. Give yourself time and be patient. And number 10 is going to be, do not do this on your own. Support and guidance change everything. If you have a workout buddy that you like to go to, they motivate you, they push you, stick to that, because that's always going to keep you accountable. If you need a coach, hire one, making sure that they're behind you and on top of you to get your stuff done. So if you're starting fresh this year, save this video and come back to it often. And if you want a beginner friendly plan that takes the guesswork out, check the link below. You don't need to be perfect, just need to start and keep going. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.